2025 has been another incredible year for deep-sea discovery. New species, amazing technology, shocking revelations. Today, we're going to look at 5 of the weirdest things uncovered in the deep sea this year. The title says aliens. How do we explain these things? Only found in the furthest reaches of the ocean, never before seen by man until now. Over 70% of our planet is covered in water, yet we've explored less of the deep sea than the surface of Mars. The deeper you go into the ocean, the greater the water pressure becomes. Hydrothermal vents are openings in the seafloor that release geothermally heated water. They're often found near volcanic activity and can reach temperatures exceeding 750 degrees Fahrenheit. From bioluminescent jellyfish to unexplained seabed formations, the ocean's depths continue to amaze us. But there's still so much more to discover. Remember, over 95% of the deep sea remains unexplored. What might be lurking in the darkest depths? What new discoveries will we make in the future? The possibilities are truly endless. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating deep-sea discoveries. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're eager for more ocean exploration videos. Dive into our other content to continue your journey through the wonders of the deep sea. Thanks for joining us today, and happy exploring. These vents emit a variety of chemicals, including hydrogen sulfide, which can support chemosynthetic life. Instead of relying on sunlight like most life on Earth, these organisms use energy from chemical reactions to create their own food. It's like an entirely different ecosystem existing beneath the ocean's surface. But wait, there's more. Hydrothermal vents also release methane and ammonia, forming cold seeps that support different forms of life. These deep-sea ecosystems are teeming with unique creatures like giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and scalyfoot snails. The scalyfoot snail is particularly fascinating as it has developed a shell made of iron sulfide, which helps protect it from the harsh conditions of the deep sea. These incredible adaptations are just a glimpse into the diversity of life that exists in our oceans. From the bizarre to the beautiful, hydrothermal vents are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. And who knows what other secrets they might hold. At around 2,000 feet, the pressure is about 200 times greater than at sea level. Yet life still manages to flourish down there. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss the perplexing spherical formations recently discovered on the seabed off the coast of Chile. These mysterious structures have left scientists puzzled, as they were found in an area that had been thoroughly mapped multiple times before. The size of these spheres ranges from small pebbles to massive boulders weighing several tons. The lack of any known geological formation that matches them has made their origin a complete mystery. Some researchers speculate that they could be of biological origin, such as the cocoons of deep-sea creatures. Others believe they may have formed due to geological processes that are not fully understood. The most exciting theory is that these spheres could be evidence of extraterrestrial activity. While this may seem far-fetched, it's worth considering that our knowledge of the deep sea is still so limited. Just a few years ago, scientists discovered giant sponges thriving in the dark depths of the ocean, completely independent of sunlight. Could these mysterious spheres be another example of life defying our expectations? Or do they point to a previously unknown geological phenomenon? As scientists continue to investigate, we may never know for sure. Scientists have found that some deep-sea creatures like xenophyophores, which are single-celled organisms, have adapted to these extreme conditions. They possess large central vacuoles that help them maintain their shape and function under intense pressures. Other creatures, like the Japanese spider crab, have developed tough shells and flexible bodies that allow them to withstand the crushing depths of the ocean floor. These adaptations are just mind-blowing when you think about how different the conditions are from the surface. It's like trying to imagine a creature that can survive being crushed by tons of rocks and dirt. The deep sea is truly a remarkable place where life finds a way to thrive even in the most challenging environments. It's astounding that after all these years, we still know so little about what lies beneath the waves. There's just so much more to discover. A striking fact is that more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, with a whopping 95% of the deep sea left to keep its secrets. That means there could be entire ecosystems thriving in conditions we can barely comprehend. We know so little about the ocean that it is estimated there are likely millions of species of fish that we haven't even heard of yet. The deep sea is a realm full of surprises, and scientists are continuously discovering new and bizarre forms of life there. One example is the anglerfish, which uses a glowing lure to attract prey in the darkness. Another is the blobfish, a deep-sea fish known for its unusual appearance and ability to survive under extreme pressures. From bioluminescent creatures to those adapted to crushing depths, the deep sea is a place where life finds a way to thrive even in the most inhospitable conditions. Despite the challenges, advancements in technology, like remotely operated vehicles, are helping us explore deeper and learn more about the deep sea than ever before. As we continue to venture into this uncharted territory, who knows what other amazing creatures and phenomena we'll uncover? The ocean's depths may hold the key to understanding life like we never thought possible. Is this a UFO? Watch on to find out why this one is classified as a real object. Hello and welcome to the channel. If this is the first video of ours that you've ever watched, then we would like to invite you to join our community of explorers, educators, and lovers of all things ocean. Creature with the very creative nickname of the Phantom Lantern. This translucent deep-sea dweller is a type of zooplankton called a siphonophore. Siphonophores are colonial organisms made up of specialized units called zooids working together as one. You might be wondering why this particular creature got the spotlight. Well, its unique behavior has captured the attention of scientists and researchers worldwide. The phantom lantern exhibits a previously unknown form of bioluminescence. It drifts through the water with its long trailing tentacles, which flash in a mesmerizing display of light. What's really fascinating is that scientists have observed these flashes occurring in various patterns, leading them to believe that this could be a form of communication, or maybe even a mating ritual. To put that into perspective, imagine if a cute guy came up to you and said, "Hey, want to go check out this cool jellyfish exhibit at the aquarium?" And then proceeded to flash his ID 3 times. Researchers are still trying to decode the meaning behind these flashes, but it is just one more example of the mysteries that lie in the darkest depths of our oceans. We are always excited to have you here and welcome aboard. Be sure to stay updated for new videos every week. Number 5, the Phantom Lantern. First up, let's talk about one of the most fascinating deep-sea animals spotted in 2025. Meet the number 4, the map of the unknown. The vastness of our oceans never ceases to amaze us. No. 3, life under pressure. Now, let us discuss the incredible adaptations of deep-sea creatures and how they manage to survive under immense pressures. No. 2, the mysteries of hydrothermal vents. Now let's explore hydrothermal vents. These fascinating underwater wonders that support unique forms of life in the deep sea. Number 1, the unexplainable spheres. There you have it, 5 of the weirdest things discovered in the deep sea in 2025.